Hi there and welcome to my channel once again. Another bridge video, primarily for the bridge club that I play at and the improvers group, okay, who haven't yet come across or learnt how to do transfers. So that's what we're going to look at today. Transfers after one no trump. Now, quite a subject, but quite easy to understand why we use transfers. So without further ado, let's have a look at some cards and I'll explain how red transfers work. Okay, so let's have a look at this first hand. And in all of these examples, we assume that our partner has already opened one no trump. So we know that they have a balanced hand and they have between 12 and 14 points. Now, this is the hand that we have opposite the one no trump. So we now have to make a decision about what we're going to bid next. So looking at our hand, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points and a nice 5-card spade suit. Now, up to now, you've been taught that what you would respond back with is 2 spades, because you know your partner with the one no trump hand has at least 2 spades in their hand. They may well have 3 or 4 spades in their hand. So you're going to respond 2 spades and you're going to take control and play the contract in spades. Now, if we add our points up, as we've just done, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 points, we should first add these points to what we expect our partner to have. Now, of course, 9 points plus a minimum of 12 points is 21, but a maximum point range in the no trump bid is, of course, 14. So 14 plus 9 is 23. So we know before we start bidding, we haven't got enough points for game, because game is 25 points. So now we're going to learn how to transfer. So instead of bidding 2 spades, in this instance, we're going to bid 2 hearts. We've already agreed with our partner that we're playing transfers today. So our partner, who bid the one no trump, will know that a 2 heart bid will mean they are forced to bid 2 spades. It doesn't matter what they've got in their hand. They may only have 2 spades in their hand, but they must complete the transfer. So one no trump, 2 hearts from this hand, 2 spades from the one no trump hand. Now the transfer is complete, and it's the no trump hand that's going to be playing 2 spades instead of this hand. So all we've done here, the contract is still the same as what we would have done previously, 2 spades, but what we've done here, we've switched the player who's going to be playing the hand. So instead of this hand playing the hand, being declarer, it's the one no trump hand that's going to be playing the contract of 2 spades. And the reason we do this is, very simply, that we're hiding the one no trump hand away from the other 2 players, the defense players. They can't see what's in the one no trump hand, because it's this hand here that you can see that's going to be dummy. So they can't see the one no trump hand, and they've got to lead towards this hand. Of course, they won't see it until dummy goes down, but they don't know They don't know what's in the one no trump hand. They know that there will be something in probably all of the suits, but they won't know for sure. And it's by doing this and disguising the one no trump hand and keeping it hidden, which allows us possibly to make extra tricks. So this hand is 2 hearts to instigate the transfer, and then our partner will bid 2 spades. Note that this is a very, very good suit, the spade suit here. We've got 2 honours in it, and we must always have 5 spades at least for a transfer. So another hand where we find ourselves with another 5-card major, and this time it's hearts, but this time we have a few less points, 3, 4, 5 points. But we've got such a good heart suit that we will, in this instance, we will want our partner to play in hearts. So with the heart suit, the transfer is instigated by the diamond suit. So in this instance, we will be bidding 2 diamonds, and that tells our partner to bid the next suit up, 2 hearts. So in each instance where we have an opportunity to instigate a transfer, it's a red suit that's always bid, either the diamonds for the heart suit or the hearts for the spade suit. That's how the transfers work. So just to reiterate, for a transfer you must have at least 5 cards in the major suit, one of the major suits, and you must have a good solid suit there as well. You may not have many points, but what you're doing here is you're taking your partner out of one no trump, and you're going to be playing in a suit contract. That's what you want to play in, because your suit contract will be much better than your partner struggling to play in one no trump. It will make more tricks and is more sensible to play in the 5-card suit, which in this instance is the heart suit. Note again that adding the points to partner's suit, possibly partner has a maximum of 14, you're nowhere near game. So after your partner has bid 2 hearts, you're going to pass. So here's the odd one out, and in this particular instance we have 11 points and a nice 5-card spade suit, and we wish to transfer, but again we need to understand how many points we might have between us and partner. So we add our 11 points to 12, 13 and 14, and we discover that we may have game on if partner has 14 points, the top of the range of their one no trump bid. So how are we going to bid this? So one no trump from partner, we instigate the transfer, 2 hearts, asking our partner to bid 2 spades, which is what they do. The bidding comes back to us, and because we don't know if we've got game on, we bid 3 spades. Now at this point, our partner knows that that bid is invitational. If they are minimum for their one no trump, they would pass, but if they're maximum for their one no trump, then they take it to 4 spades. Only they can make that decision at that particular point. So this is the difficult one really to contend with. I've made this
suit quite good, or this hand rather, I made it quite good. There's lots of 10s and 9s in here, so it's a little bit better than its 11 points anyway. But still, you need to understand if you've got that 25 points or more so that you can bid game. And you, in this instance, can't bid that. You've got to allow your partner with the 1-no trump to make that decision. So let's have a look at yet another hand where we wish to transfer. In this instance, we can see we have a 5-card spade suit and we wish to transfer to spades. We wish to force our partner to bid spades. But unlike the other hands, if you add the points up here, you'll see that we have 13 points. So by adding our points up to the likely points of our partner, either 12, 13 or 14, we can see straight away that we have 25 or 27 points, 25, 26, 27. So we do have enough points for game. But instead of actually bidding 4 spades here after 1-no trump, firstly we're going to make sure that our partner is transferred to spades first. So this is how the bidding's going to go. Partner is going to bid 1-no trump. You're going to bid 2 hearts. Your partner is then going to bid 2 spades because they are forced to bid 2 spades. And you're going to bid again this time. You're going to bid 4 spades because you know you have enough points for game. So you instigate the transfer first and then you actually bid game. Your partner, who bid the 1-no trump to start with, is going to play in 4 spades. We've had both types of transfer, hearts and spades. Let's look at something that isn't a transfer. So, in this instance, we have a nice 5-card diamond suit. But guess what? It's not a major, is it? So we can't transfer. Not only that, we can't now bid 2 diamonds either. Because if we bid 2 diamonds, that's going to force our partner to bid 2 hearts. It's going to force them into the heart suit. So, after 1-no trump, with this type of hand, all we can do is either pass or bid 3 diamonds. But we don't have enough points, really, to bid 3 diamonds, or indeed 2 no trumps. So the only option we have with this type of hand is to pass. It's an unfortunate situation, but having that nice long diamond suit, I'm sure our partner will be very pleased to play in 1-no trump with that nice diamond suit. So beware of that. You can't bid clubs and you can't bid diamonds after 1-no trump with a natural diamond and club suit, because diamonds would mean the transfer, and if you bid 2 clubs, of course that's Stayman. So you're in the same situation. So just be aware of the minors there. They can't really be bid at the 2 level. They now mean something else. They are now artificial bids.
Okay, that's the end of the video as such. All you've got to remember is that you need to decide with your partner whether you're actually going to use transfers or whether you're going to just use natural bids to describe your 5-card suit. You must do that at the beginning of your play and decide which direction you're going to go. Whatever's easiest for you. Use transfers or use natural bids. But you must decide that at the beginning and then communicate that, of course, to your opponents. So, as I said, that's it for me now. I may do another video, who knows? But if you've got any questions, then, of course, just let me know and I'll try and answer those. Okay, that's bye from me for now. Bye. Bye.